Second problem. The length of a rectangular plot is thrice its breadth if the area of a rectangular plot is 7,803 square meter. What is the breadth of the rectangular plot? Good question. So you have a rectangular plot. This is the breadth and this is the length of the rectangular plot. So as you start this question, what is the condition given? That the length is equal to thrice the breadth. It means L is equal to 3b. Now you can assume b is equal to x. If b is equal to x, then L is equal to 3x. Now you want to calculate the breadth. You have the area, which is length into breadth. So area is given, which is 7803, equal to length is 3x and breadth is x. So this is 3x into x is 3x square is equal to 7803. X square is equal to 7803 upon 3. This is equal to 2601. So x square is equal to 2601 and x is equal to, the square will come here, root 2601. Root 2601 is 51. So since the value of x is 51, that's what we have to calculate. Answer is option number 1.